on YouTube. Welcome everybody on YouTube. And what we want to do, we want to give you some education. We want to give you some knowledge of how the tax sale works. Tax lien investing, tax deed investing, tax redeemable deed investing. These are people who did not pay the property taxes. I don't understand why people don't do this more. Low risk. Invest $300, $500, $1,000. Get a good return, interest rate, or you might end up with the property. It's a fabulous way to grow your business. Listen to me really hard. It's a fabulous way to have real estate at low risk. Do real estate at low risk. Tax sales. People who don't pay their property taxes. Then you have the right to buy the lien, the deed, or the redeemable deed. There's opportunities for you. There's abilities for you. That's what you got to understand here on YouTube. So, what I realized more, people will spend money for an entertainment. I went to an event last night. Good event, nothing bad. So, got some good education. There was, I can say that one. That was definitely worth my fee I paid probably for the whole year. I got some good education from an attorney. Learned some more. And this is the key. The key is knowledge. The key is education. This is an ability for people to buy properties. Buy the properties on pennies on the dollar, or get an interest rate. Okay? Good morning, Harper. Fly high, baby. So, we talk about real estate on our channel. That's it. But we only talk about people who don't pay their property taxes. We're not here to say if it's good or bad, the government shouldn't do it or they should do it. We're not here for any of that stuff. What we are here for is what? Having people who don't pay their property taxes, and you want to buy the lien or the deed on the property. You're able to buy the lien or the deed on the property. It's a great opportunity. You can get a great interest rate, 18-25% interest, and even different ones. You can be 10%, 12%, depending on the state, or you could acquire a property. Okay? So, we don't go into religion. We don't go into politics. We don't go into sports. We don't go into entertainment. We only talk about the real estate on this channel. That's it. That's all we talk about. Real estate on the tax sales. I explain to people there's huge opportunities that you can do for your community with the financial resources that you may have. If you're broke, you can work for the location for free. You got capital, you can donate money for the organization, which is what they're thrilled about too. Or you can hire people to work for your charity for free, or whichever cause that you're interested in. This is what the tax sales help people for. So remember, these are people who don't pay the taxes. I always tell people, what do you want to do first? I tell, what's the very first step you want to do? Okay? And I said, all right, where do you live? I tell people, where do you live? What state do you live in? People say, oh, I live in California. I live in LA. I live in Miami-Dade, Florida, or Texas, or whatever. It's great. Then, first thing you should start maybe, why don't you contact your county, tax collector, treasurer, chancellor court, however they want to call it, whoever handles the taxes, property taxes there, and ask them, when is your next sale going to be held? Then go onto YouTube and type in your state and start learning how it works in that state. That's what you start. That's free. People say, I want free, I want free. I say, yeah, it's free. Go get your free stuff. You're gonna learn the basics, you will. How I learned the hard way. Now, I really do some research, do some homework. That's the key. So, hope you subscribe to our channel. We're the Tax Sale Master. Subscribe to our channel. We're the Tax Sale Master. We're on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Join LinkedIn too. And so you get some good knowledge about how the tax sale works. Okay? All right. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.